Hello and welcome back. I took an L. Yeah, so I took another L. I'm still extremely happy with how this week went. I saw multiple trades. Hold on. Yeah, so I have a decision to make. So either I can be happy with taking more L's, but taking more trades, or I can take less trades but take less losing trades. So the decision I need to make is whether I wait for an SMT plus breaker block only or I just trade breaker blocks that are in favor of my bias. Because right now I'm taking breaker blocks in favor of my bias when we sweep liquidity. And when I also see SMT, that also further confirms my bias and that we're going to go take liquidity. And sometimes we form clean breaker blocks and we complete them without SMT. But usually when we have SMT, I'll win the trade. So either more trades, more losses, or less trades, less losses. So this week I think I took around or let's say I would have taken, if I was trading every breaker block, I would have taken a trade on. Sorry, I'll show you my notes. Hold on. So I took this short on on NQ on Monday, but it didn't get entered into. But I think I would not have taken this because there's no SMT. So also I would have gotten entered into this on the 2 minutes. So let's just say I get entered into this. So that's 1W Monday, Tuesday. This was SMT, or was this a bad trade? No, this is a great trade. I just got stopped out because my stop loss was a little low, but I'm pretty sure there's no SMT. So yeah, no SMT. At least I didn't put it in my notes. So that's two trades. That would be two wins. This day, Wednesday, I should have taken a long here. This is with SMT, so I would have taken 3 wins. No trade on Thursday. We didn't see any good price action, and I would have still taken this trade. So either I take 3 W's with 1 loss, or I take 1 win with no losses. I mean, obviously, in this week, obviously you would want more. You want 3 wins to 1 loss than 1 win to 0 losses. But in the long run, what's going to be more profitable? A higher win rate with less trades or a lower win rate with more trades? I don't know. That's going to be something that I'm going to have to figure out. And like there's still tweaking to my strategy I can do. I'm definitely not ready to get a funded challenge just yet. My strategy is really starting to I'm really starting to learn, figure it all out. And I think this is the biggest decision I'm going to have to make with the strategy is whether I want more trades, more losses, or less trades, less losses. Higher win rate, less trades, higher win rate, more trades, lower win rate. And yeah, maybe I just maybe I'll risk. I could risk, like say I only risk $500. Usually I risk 1,000, 1% of my account. Maybe when I don't see SMT, I risk half a percent. And then when I do see SMT, I risk a full percent, maybe a 1.5%, because I know it's probably going to play out. That's something I actually like that a lot. So when there is no SMT, I only take. I'll still take the breaker block. I'll just take it for half my position, and then when I do see SMT, I'll either double my position, not double my position, but I'll just do my regular position 1%, or I'll add 0.5% to that, so 1.5%. Yeah, I think that would be really profitable. That would be good, and I could take more trades while also having a higher. I don't know, but I think that'd work out well. So I'm gonna start doing that. So when there's no SMT, I fucking explained it like 3 times already. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, let's see. Today there was no SMT at all. I mean, maybe on the higher time frames. And also, am I considering this higher time frame SMT, or am I only considering like low time frame SMT? Like if we take this high, let's look on Wednesday. Because this was a really good trade that I didn't take. Wednesday, 9:30. Like this is an hourly SMT. Also, we had SMT on Monday. We had bullish SMT. I think I was bearish though. No, I was bullish on Monday. Did I take a short on Monday? Tuesday. Yeah, I took a short. I mean, still, no matter what, I'm just gonna stick to my bias and what I think. Why would I be looking for a short here? I guess we were at the top. I should have just waited. There's probably a nice breaker block there with SMT. Whatever. Wednesday. The SMT was this low, I think. 11.15. Yeah, we don't take that low. SMT. So, I mean, I think I'm still just going to have to use a lot of intuition and how I feel about the trade. But I obviously know when I see a SMT. So, yeah. Good to figure out that. Talking about today's trade, I don't hate it. I honestly don't hate it. We just didn't see any SMT and there wasn't enough volatility, but we had equal lows. We had very nice equal lows. The displacement was honestly pretty good. I still like this displacement. Stop hunt, displacement through. I pulled the trigger on the trade and I targeted here. And my stop loss was here. We just continued straight through it. Again, I don't hate it. My bias was bearish in the higher time frame. Lower time frame, we had equal lows. We had the displacement I was looking for. I pulled the trigger on the trade. Maybe I just need to set my stop loss at the high, and should have taken, I don't know, 10 contracts on that. So, I mean, I could have done this, or I could have done this. Hold on, I gotta redo it. Or I take 20, 17. Yeah, like 17 contracts on this. But instead, I pulled 34 contracts. I pulled the trigger on 34 contracts on this. And with no SMT risking a full percent, I just don't think that was the right move. But again, I like the trade. So yeah. Well, right now I'm only up 1,000 on the account, but I'm really happy with how this week went. Nothing to be disappointed about. Still figuring out my strategy. Still figuring out trading, and yeah, I'll get there when I get there. Like, I'm not rushing anything. I'm not gonna rush into trading, into making money with trading. I started I have other ways, other avenues of making money for now, and I hope those take off. But I'm just gonna be patient with trading. There's no reason to rush. I know this is gonna be so worth it once I finally get there. So what's the point of rushing it? Just the more I rush it, the longer it's gonna take. I'm just gonna practice building good habits, showing up to the market every day, journaling, going to bed early, getting up early, being patient, taking the trade when I see it, and I'll get there when I get there. Whether that be 3 months, 6 months, another year. In a year, I'm gonna be trading regardless of if I'm making money or not. And to see the progress that I've made in this past month, I think it's this past month that I've been waking up early every damn day. Been waking up early and I've been training this new strategy. It's been amazing to see the progress that I've made. It's incredible. Like, I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting to have my own strategy forever because all the other strategies I was using, they didn't really make sense to me. And I finally come across this. I finally built my strategy into something that works for me and that I can see in the charts. I enjoy looking for it and it plays out in the market profitably. So I enjoy this. This is a hobby. I'm becoming a better trader and I enjoy becoming a better trader. And there's no reason to rush it. The money will come. I'm not worried about the money. I'm not worried about anything in trading. I'm just going to be patient and let it come to me. So, yeah, I think I'm going to end that one here. This is a really great week. And I'm really excited for the next week of trading. Like I enjoy being on the charts and watching price move and watching price do what I said it was going to do. And yeah, that's all for this one. See you next week on Monday for pre-market. Peace.